Hey guys, it's DovonMac1. If this microphone is too loud, I'm very sorry about that. It's how it's ringing. I'm going to show you how to make ringtones today. I hope you enjoy this. I'm just going to select a actually I'm going to select a video. Let's have some fun with this. Let's see. Something I kind of like. I can't play really any music at all because of the, sound effect, the device that I'm using to record. So, I'm just going to select this one, which I probably already have it open in this program, which editing program, which is one thing you'll need along with iTunes. So, now, it's buffing the content, building peaks are like volume. So, now we have our footage. Now, I want to select over here and try to find Melina's, where she gets hit instead. Nope. Keep it going. Allow. Rain. It should be somewhere right here. Now we skip back a few. Increase. So I could see where I'm going to cut it. Yeah. Fish. Alright, here's where I want to start my frame. So I press split. I move over to the content. To the head. When I come to the end of the frame that I want, I press split again. And then I select the content I'm going to use. Now, with other programs, you may not use this particular one. It's called Vegas Pro. This is a keygen version, so don't ask what that means, because you'll probably find out some other time, or look at one of my other videos. Huh, lol. Speaking issue today. Okay, so I'm going to render. Now, you want to put this in an audio format, preferably MP3. So, let's find it. Here we are. MP3 audio. Choose the highest quality in your particular thing, and then render it as a video, or as audio. Now we open the application. Now, if you don't have a program that can make audio, use YouTube Downloader, which is right here. Very handy. You can download from YouTube anything you want. It seems jump into iTunes. So, let me go into iTunes. Let's see. Music. Now, that footage should be under 30 seconds. That's the rule of having ringtones. It has to be under 30 seconds. Alright. You type in to find it. X-ray. There we are. Now, here's another important part. Create an ACC version. Make a copy of that one in a different format. Keep the one highlighted, that's the format. It's done. Okay, so I delete the MP3 one. Delete. Yes. And then I select the one that is CC file. And now I open the window. Now you have to unlink it. Unlinked. Go back to iTunes. And delete this one. Delete. Delete song. Keep file. Okay, then we go back to Explorer. It has the content highlighted for me. So now, another thing that is showing here is file extensions. The little dot and then, format. What you want to do here is, if you don't see that, go to File. And be organized. Yeah, it is. Go to Organize. Layout. Or not layout. Search folders, view, and uncheck hide extensions for known file types. Then go back to your file and say rename. Note it highlights the title, it does not highlight the extension. So go to the extension. This is very important. If you mess this up, you can take it back to what it is, MP4A, and it will start playing again. If you want it to become a ringtone, you delete the A and put an R for ringtone. Then you push enter and say yes to the file extension being created. Take the content, cut it, go back to music, automatically add to iTunes, and then paste. And it will automatically go back into iTunes again. But however, it will be in tone. Sound like okay. So now we have a ringtone to put in our phones. If you want to check out these other ringtones, I'll have them in the video too, right after this video is finished. So I'm going to delete this because I don't want it, actually. Delete ringtone, move to recycling bin. So that's how you make ringtones. And just send them to your phone by clicking on the device and then clicking ringtones and then syncing all. These ringtones are pretty neat. I'll play a few minutes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And have a nice day.
One dream in all of us still shining. One star, the everlasting light. So alone, so lost inside, to the end in paradise. United, victorious, the hearts of our nation tonight.
Scorpion wins. Rain wins. Fatality.